First look of Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. Xiaomi journey with the highly successful Mi Mix series started with the Mi Mix, which was released in 2016. The company later launched a second-generation model, Mi Mix 2, in September last year. This was followed by the Mi Mix 2S, which is an upgraded version of the Mix 2, and that was released in March this year. The release of the Mi Mix 2S created some sort of confusion as to whether the company will still launch a third-gen model. A couple of leaks purported to be those of the Mi Mix 3 has emerged on Weibo that indicates that Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 is in the works. These leaks are perhaps the first live images of the third-generation Mix 3, and noticeably, the device comes with a streamlined design. Notably, the Mix 3 comes with ultra-thin bezel on all sides. The previous gen models, including the Mix 2S, has bezels at the top and bottom, whose sizes are disproportionate. The top and bottom bezels are bigger than the side bezels. But in Mi Mix 3 all sides are thin. The thin bezels will, no doubt, nudge the screen ratio higher, but this design makes it difficult to cram the selfie camera under the bezels at the chin. Since, we suspect the company may adopt the mechanical sliding shutter design, as seen on the Vivo X and Oppo Find X. The Mi Mix 3 is expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, since there is no other option available at this time. The high screen percentage means that the Xiaomi will have to come up with a way to unlock the smartphone, and might not include a rear-mounted fingerprint reader. With the inception of the Xiaomi Mi 8 and the Mi 8 Explorer Edition, it is now clear that in-screen fingerprint sensors and 3D facial recognition hardware will be found in the company's high-end smartphone range for the coming future. Wondering the location of the selfie camera? Well, Xiaomi has approached the sliding camera concept from the Vivo XS, putting it on a motorized mount on the top. The sliding camera housing only appears to hold the front camera, which indicates that the 3D facial recognition from the Mi 8 Explorer Edition might not make an appearance here. The rear houses a dual camera setup, similar to the Mi 8 and the Mi Mix 2S. Naturally, if Xiaomi does decide to go the pop-up camera way with the Mi Mix 3, it'll have to give up the device's standout design feature. The Xiaomi Mi Mix lineup features the front camera at the bottom of its front facade, an element that's found in few devices these days. But of course, if one has to grow, then it requires a sacrifice. For Xiaomi, maybe the days of a bottom front camera for the Mi Mix lineup are over. The pop-up setup will only be limited to the front camera, as the alleged renders show the Mix 3 with a vertical rear camera setup. Of course, if Leijun really wants to follow Apple's way, then he needs to fight hard against the urge to adopt new features, regardless of what users comment on his Weibo. But this will be hard for Xiaomi, as it simply does not have Apple's brand value. Finally, since we're only seeing the first batch of leaks for the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3, take these leaks with copious amounts of salt. If Xiaomi intends to launch a pop-up setup with the Mix 3, then it should have either entered the final design stages with the Mix 3, or we'll see a delayed launch when compared to last year. What do you think about the new design? Let me know what you think in the comments section down below, and stay tuned. We'll keep you updated on the latest update. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next one.